put it in the water. Put it in the water and stir it very well. Ensure that all the snails are getting the treatment. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be talking about how you can prevent snail mortality in your snail farm. Maybe you have a snail farm and you're having mortality in the snail farm. You can also reduce the mortality in your snail farm. You don't need to wait for your snails to start dying before you start treating your snails. There should be a treatment routine in your snail farm. This will help you to reduce mortality to the fullest. You can say your snails are dying because you're not treating them if every other factors are put in place, like you have the proper housing and you also have quality snails, quality breeders, you have quality foundation stock. If you know you have quality foundation stock, you know that your housing is right, your setup is right, and your snails are still dying, then this video is for you. This video is not for people that have not done the proper thing. It's not for people that have not done the right thing in terms of housing, in terms of selecting good breeders. No, it's for people that are doing the right thing and yet their snails are still dying. If you have done the right thing, then this video is for you. And like I said before, you don't need to wait for your snails to start dying as a snail farmer before you start treating them. You should have a treatment routine. Like in our farm, we treat our snails once every 2 weeks. Then sometimes if we notice some casualty, we can also treat the snails. And the treatment has different steps. For people that are just treating their snails as a routine, there is a measurement for the treatment. And for those that are treating their snails because they are having casualties, the measurement is also different. So for today, I'm going to show you how to treat your snails as daily routine. Today is one of the days where we treat our snails. We don't wait for our snails to start dying before we treat them. So guys, join me as I show you how to treat your snails to prevent and to reduce mortality or snail deaths. So we are going to get, this is 10 liter bucket of water that we're going to use for the treatment. For this farm, you might need up to 50 liters of water to treat all the snails in the farm in the intensive system. So I'll be using antibiotics. This is the organic antibiotic that we're using. So I'm using half tablespoon leveled for our normal routine. We don't have casualties on the farm, so we're just doing the normal routine. So I'll put it in the water, put it in the water, and stir it very well. So if you are this is it. So if you're having casualty on the farm, you can use 1 tablespoon for this 10 liter of water. That is, if you're having casualty, you can use 1 tablespoon. But for today, we're using half tablespoon for this. These organic antibiotics that we're using to treat our snails, and it's very, very effective. So these are the snails that we want to treat. We ensure that we ensure that the snails we ensure that the snails are very dry. Like yesterday, we did not give them water because we want to treat them today. We ensure that they are dry so that when we treat them, they will be able to get the water, enough water, the treatment water, they're able to get enough of it. So that's how we do it. To allow the snails to be dry so we don't wet them for that day. Okay? Sprinkle on them like this. Ensure that all the snails are getting the treatment. Ensure that they are all getting the treatment. Okay? Ensure that they are all getting the treatment water. We also give them this same water as their drinking water. We put it in their water bowl as their drinking water. So you can see this is the water that they will drink for today. Right, beautiful people, this is the end of the video. So if you want the antibiotics for the treatment, you can send us a message and we can deliver to you. But if you are so far that you cannot get this particular antibiotic that we're using, because this particular antibiotic is very effective and we made it ourselves, I can also recommend something for you that you can use for your snail treatment. So thank you so much. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do. I promise to give you first-hand knowledge on snail farming. This knowledge will help you to manage a profitable and a sustainable snail farm. If you want to make profit from snail farming, you have to do the right thing. It's not something that you just wake up and say, I want to make money. You have to pay the price. I am here today because I paid the price and I'm still paying more prices to get to where I desire to be. So guys, see you in my next video. Bye.